Today we are playing Fishing Kings, and we are going to get a snapper. So for the snapper, once this is loaded, we're going to go to the Bahamas. Then we're going to go to the old aquarium. Okay, once this is done loading, snappers are kind of hard to catch. It took me a little bit to figure out how to catch them because I'm kind of used to fish wanting it to swim. But these are the kind of fish where you just leave it there, leave the bait there. So we're going to be using a normal, regular fatty bait. I'm going to be using an upgraded version because I have that. We're going to do it right next to that little tower there. Cast out there. Alright. I just cast as far as we can out that tower. Again, using fatty bait. I have the upgraded version of it. There's some snappers right there. Oh, he's going for it. So you just let it sit. Wait for it, and then hook it. And as you know, just follow the little thing down in the bottom right corner and the little bar there, and just follow what it's telling you, and you can catch the snapper. You want to reel in pretty fast when you're catching these, or any fish really. Alright, and we got it. Oh, that's a nice one, king size weight. 35.7 inches, 47.8 pounds, baby. I'm going to keep this one for the records. And that's how you catch a snapper in fishing games. And if you want to catch an amberjack, I don't know if they have them here. I'll give you a little extra here. Use the same bait. And the amberjacks are a little bit annoying because there are a ton of them everywhere. And yeah, look at this. The amberjacks. That's one right there. Same thing with every fish. You just reel it in. There are some fish that are, harder than others to catch, but they're all pretty easy to catch. So, yeah. So you catch a snapper and a amberjack. Alright. Thanks for watching.